My Dad by Antony Browne. Is all right, my dad. My dad isn't afraid of anything, even the big bad wolf. He can jump right over the moon and walk on a tightrope without falling. He can wrestle with giants or win the father's race on sports day easily. He's all right, my dad.
My dad can hit like a horse and he can swim like a fish. He is as strong as a gorilla and as happy as an hippopotamus. He's all right, my dad. My dad as big as a house and as soft as my titty. He's as wise as an owl and apt as a brush. Is all right, my dad.
My dad is a great dancer and a brilliant singer. He's a fantastic at football and he makes me laugh a lot. I love my dad, and you know what?
He loves me.
And he always will.
Yeah, that's right. I love my son.